new members in the AGM of the Vidyabhushan Setup. I request our Honorable Secretary, Deepak Agrawal, to start. The first item on the agenda is the minutes of the previous meeting held on 18th July 2020. I will read the minutes of the last meeting. The minutes of the previous meeting were approved. The first point was to consider and if approved consider and confirm the minutes of the last meeting of the annual general body of the Uttarakhand Sabha held on 21st December 2019 and also the extraordinary general body meeting held on 28th July 2020. First, I will go through the minutes of the previous meeting. The minutes of the last meeting were considered and were approved unanimously. The first question was attempt to consider and if approved to adopt the audit reports and the audited statements of the Sabha and its institutions for the year financial year 17, 18, 2018, 19 and FY 19, 20 as forwarded by the governing body. The audit reports of the and the audited statements of the Vidyabhushan Sabha and its institutions for the financial year 17-18 duly audited by Mr. Swag and Associates, Chartered Accountants, were presented to the members. Honorary Treasurer Mr. D.B. Aranya explained the salient features of 17-18 and it was discussed in detail. After some discussion, it was unanimously resolved to approve the audit reports and audited statements of the Vidyabhushan Sabha and its institution for the FY 17-18. Further, Mr. D.B. Aranya presented the audited statements and audit report of the Vidyabhushan Sabha and its institutions for the financial year 2018-19 and explained the data. He mentioned that the auditors had raised certain queries on the accounts submitted to him which were answered by the concerned staff. He further explained that the queries raised by regarding the anomalies and discrepancies pointed out by the chartered accountant in the account have been explained to the concerned accountants in the schools and hostels. They have been warned to avoid such mistakes in future. After some discussion, it was unanimously resolved that the audit report and the audited statements of the Sabha and its institution for the financial year 2018-19 be approved. C. The Honorary Secretary put before the meeting the unaudited statement of receipts and payments, expenses of the Vidyabhushan Sabha and its institutions due to schools and hostels for financial year 2019 and 2020. Submitted to the CA. He explained the details and informed that the mistakes of previous years have been avoided as far as possible. And in case any queries are raised by the chartered accountant, they will be resolved by the was then proposed by Mr. Pramod Shinde that the unmonitored statements of report forwarded by the governing body be provisionally approved and the audit report and the audited statements to be presented to the general body on the next meeting. The resolution proposed by Mr. Shinde and duly seconded by Mrs. Sumita Ganguly was passed. Second topic, any other business allowed by the chair. To welcome the new members of the Vidyavini Sabha. The President, Mr. D.V. Ranawat, introduced and welcomed the new members of the Vidyavini Sabha and briefed the meeting about their plans to contribute generously for the development of the Sabha. The meeting ended with the thanks to the chair. I think this for approval. Please raise your hand in case. Thank you. Second topic is to consider and if approved to adopt the 78th annual report of the Vidyavini Sabha and its institution, the Gurukul Hostel and Marathi and English Medium Schools for the academic year 2019-20 forwarded by the governing body. The annual report is attached to your folder file. Please go through it. I will read the main points regarding the Sabha, especially for the benefit of new members. Foundation, Vidyavini Sabha was founded on 26 January 1950, the day on which Sovereign Republic of India was inaugurated. 70 years. The Sabha completed 70 years of its existence and useful work on January 26, 2020. Governing body and annual general meeting of the members of the Vidyavini Sabha was held on Saturday, 21st December 2019 at 4:30 p.m. at noon. The following members, ladies and gentlemen, were continued to serve the governing body for the year 1920. Mr. Dinesh Ranawat, President; Mrs. Kalyani Ganguly, Vice President; Mr. D.V. Aranya, Honorary Treasurer; Mr. Dr. Sanjay Mali, Member; Mr. Pramod Shinde, Member; Architect Vishwas Gupta, Member; Mrs. Surya Sabri, Member; Mrs. Sumita Ganguly, Member; Mr. B.S. Arif, Member; and Mr. Deepak Ganguly, Honorary Secretary. The trustees, following trustees were continued to serve. Mr. Shashank N. Ogle, Chairman; Mr. D.B. Aranya, Dr. Sanjay Mali, Mr. Praveen Wagh, Mrs. Pratibha Wagh, Architect Vishwas Kotkar, and Anuj Niran Ganguly. Then the various committees were formed regarding hostel and schools. Lastly, main 2 points. For last, from 2007-8, a special award, Vasantrao Kumbhoskar Award, for which was started to be given to the best teacher from all schools of the Vidyavini Sabha Gurukul, recognizing their efforts, experiments for the development of the students as well as the school. During the year 2019-20, Mrs. Manisha Kalgode, Headmistress, Gurukul English Medium School, was awarded Sri Vasantrao Kumhotkar Award for the Best Teacher. The list of teachers who have won previously has been given beneath that. Guruvarya G.L. Chandavarkar Smruti Scholarship 2019-20. Scholarships for higher education are given to deserving students in memory of Mr. Ganesh Lakshman Chandavarkar, well-known educationist and founder of Vidya Vinay Sabha Gurukul. During the current year, these scholarships were awarded to the following students at the hand of the Chief Guest, Commander Harinder Singh of 242 Battalion CRPF Group Center, Talegaon, on annual day of Gurukul. Miss Khushi Ram Dhumar, who has joined 11th standard, Miss Vedika Suryakant Londe and Tanishka Santosh Dare, each was given ₹1,000 scholarship, and Mrs. Shruti Sujit Suryavanshi, daughter of our own teacher, Mr. Sujit Suryavanshi, was awarded ₹5,000 for her education. She is doing the BE and is studying in the final year. Rest you can go through the report in detail. You can take it home with you. It is attached. I think everyone has got that report in the file. Thank you. So I move that we all adopt the annual report, 78th annual report of the Sabha.
Please raise your hands and accept it. Thank you.
To consider third item, and if approved, to forward audit reports.
Adopt the audit.
To consider and if approved, to adopt the audit reports and audited statements of the Sabha and its institutions for the year FY 2019-20 to the general body for its approval. I request President Dinesh to explain, because today unfortunately our honorary treasurer could not attend the meeting. He has conveyed his inability to attend.
Thank you, sir. The balance sheet for the year ending 31st March 2020 and the income and expenditure statement is attached in the folders which are being given to you and which have been duly audited, and the audit report have been sent by our auditor Sandeep Wagh and Associates. So due to the absence of our treasurer today and I being not qualified for this, I can just explain that if you see the income and expenditure statement. Hello. The balance, the excess of expenditure over income for the year ended 2020 is 19,37,000. So this shortfall was mainly due to non-recovery of fees and excess expenditure in the hostel side, because there were very few students, less than 16. Most of the students were unable to pay, and also to the pressure exerted by external agencies for payment of the hostel staff. So we wish to place that on record. Anuj, you may please note down. So this is being minuted today. But I also wish to add that due to the generous and large-hearted support of our new members who have committed and have already donated youth sums, we have been able to pay the salaries of the entire staff, teaching staff, non-teaching staff and the hostel staff, and also simultaneously upgrade the facilities in the school. So I request all members present to have a look at the various activities regarding repair and renovation that are going on after this meeting is concluded, and to have a look for yourself, because the new members have committed not only to helping us financially, but they are also giving us their expertise in the field of education, and with the various educational institutes with which they are already connected to Mumbai. So because of them, we have been able to upgrade the teaching facilities. It is an ongoing process. We have employed specialist teachers and counselors from outside to assist our teachers and help in the upgradation. So this was just some additional information that I wanted to give. No, the approval being So I put it before this AGM to approve the audit report and the income and expenditure statement, which has already been approved by the governing council in its meeting held earlier today. ये 2020 ऊपर लिखा है ना?
वो ठीक है, ये सही है, करंट ये सही है।
Yeah, we have just noticed typographical error. You may please correct it in your folders also. In the first column, it is mentioned as 1718. It should be 1819 in the income and expenditure account and also the audit report. So kindly do those corrections. But as mentioned earlier, this is for the year ended 31st March 2020. Thank you. Thank you, sir, for pointing this out.
During our governing
Sir,
body,
approval given.
I request members to raise hands to approve the
Audit report
Audit
and the income and expenditure statement for the year ended 31st March 2020.
Thank you.
Thank you.
In our governing body meeting, we have newly inducted few members as members of the general body of the Sabha. I will request the President to welcome them, and I will request the new members, if they are present, to stand up and recognize themselves as a member of our family of Vidya Vinay Sabha Gurukul, new member as a family.
So we have received two sets of applications. I'll mention the earlier application set first. Mr. Anurag Poddar. Is he present? Anurag Poddar. Mrs. Megha Poddar. Mr. Anuj Pradeep Kumar Kanya. Mr. Chaman Pansari. Welcome. Mrs. Meena Chaudhary. Welcome, madam. Mrs. Archita Nikhil Rajpuria. Mrs. Sneha Neeraj Rajpuria. Mrs. Neelam Anil Kanya. Welcome, madam. We have received another set of applications on 7/11/2020. I read out the names. Miss Divya Rai Rajpuria. Mrs. Lalita Devda. Welcome, madam. Mrs. Priyanka K. Bansali. Mrs. Padma P. Kanya, Mrs. Kritika Kanya, welcome ma'am. Miss Kritika Kanya, sorry, I'm so sorry. Miss Rashi Chaudhary, Mrs. Roma K. Rajpuria, welcome ma'am. And Mr. Vijay Devda, welcome. Thank you. त्यांचं रेझोल्युशन घेऊन टाकू सर
कोणाचं?
नवीन मेंबरशिप ॲप्लिकेशन वगैरे
हां ॲप्लिकेशन घेतले ना.
हां वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पॉईंट.
नाही, एक मिनिट. मी एकदम पुढच्याकडे निवडतो.
रेजिग्नेशन
हो
तुम्ही
हां.
असं
वास्तू The next topic is to consider the resignation of Mr. S.S. Wagh, who has been our auditor for a long time, and to appoint the auditors of the Sabha for the year 2020-21 and to fix their remuneration as recommended by the governing body. Mr. S.S. Wagh of CA firm Wagh and Associates has shown his inability to continue as our auditor. I will go through his letter. Dear sirs, we have been the auditors of your institution for the past many years. It has always been our endeavor not only to render a good level of professional service, but also to continuously improve upon so as to maximize client satisfaction. Lately, it has become difficult to continue the professional relationship due to certain resource constraints and other obligations. Under the circumstances, we hereby tender our resignation as the statutory auditors of the Sabha with a request that you fill up the vacancy so caused. The accounts for the year ended 31st March 2020 have been audited and the relative income tax returns will be filed, but now by this time it has actually been filed. We thank you for having given us an opportunity to be of service to the Sabha. Yours faithfully, thanking you once again, yours faithfully, Wagh and Associates.
resolution.
The governing body has passed the resignation, and I would like to request you all to raise your hand to approve this resignation.
Thank you.
Next is to appoint new auditors of the Sabha for the financial year 2021. I request Dinesh to read.
Thank you, sir. As everyone is aware, Mr. Lalchand Chaudhary, who is present here today with us. Thank you, sir. He has been of immense help to us, the institute, in finalizing the audit, because we had appointed Mrs. ASL and company, of which Mr. Chaudhary is a senior partner, as our internal auditors. And they have complied with all the requirements which were put forward by Mrs. Wagh and Associates, and completed all the audits and other accounts like submission to the Charity Commissioner, Income Tax, well within the stipulated time, and also by continuously following up with Sri Sandeep Wagh. So I have requested, and we had sent a request letter to to Mr. Lalchand Chaudhary, Senior Partner of ASL and Associates, to be appointed as the new auditors after we received the resignation from Mr. Sandeep Bhatt on 16th August. And they have duly sent their consent letter for the same. I'll just read it out. Dear sirs, kindly refer to your letter dated 12/8/20 regarding our consent for the appointment as statutory auditors of your institution for the financial year 2021. We hereby confirm that our appointment as the statutory auditor of your institution for the financial year 2021 and onwards, if made, will be in accordance with the Societies Registration Act 1860 and the Maharashtra Public Trust Act of 1950. So we move and resolve that we appoint Mrs. ASL and Company as the statutory auditors and for compliance of other tax formalities that are required by law. We will be paying them the same remuneration which we have paid Wagh and Associates, that is namely rupees 1.5 lakhs per year. So I request this AGM to approve the resolution of appointment of Mrs. ASL and Company as our statutory auditors. Please approve by raising of your hands.
Sorry.
Thank you. The resolution is hereby approved. We move to the next point.
Next
Sir.
point, I will take point number 7 first. We have to name the trustees in case of any vacancy. Two of our trustees, Dr. S.R. Mali and Mr. D.B. Aranya, have shown their willingness to, actually they have resigned from the trusteeship of the Vidya Sabha, and we have to fill the vacancies, and I suggest the names of Mr. Manmohan Goenka and Mr. Kamal Rajpuria as the new trustees of the Sabha.
Can you please stand up? Thank you. Mr. Goenka is not present. So we move the resolution of appointment of Mr. Manmohan Goenka and Mr. Kamal Rajpuria as members of the Board of Trustees. Please approve by raising your hands. Thank you.
I think Mr. Rajpuria, I think our association will be a close one and a cordial one, I hope, and under your leadership also we will progress much in the future. Thank you, sir. Thank you for accepting the trusteeship.
I assure all the trustees of the trust that I do my best to for the betterment of the trust. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
The rest of the trustees who are present will continue to be on the Board of Trust. Their names are Mr. Shashank N. Ogle, Mr. Praveen Wagh, Mrs. Pratibha Wagh, Mr. Vishwas Kotkar and Mr. Anuj Ganguly. These, I think I will request them to please rise so that we can recognize you. Please. No. Two are there, three are there.
Thank you. In this regard, before we close this point, I take this opportunity to sincerely thank Dr. Sanjay Mali for all the selfless service he has rendered as a trustee all these years serving Vidya Vinay Sabha. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
As regards the election of governing body, we have to elect the post of one post of president, one post of vice president, and 8 members of the governing body. I propose the following names. Please see if they are accepted or if anybody wants to add or change. Mr. Dinesh Ranawat as President will continue as President. Myself will be Vice President. Members will be Mr. Dattatray Aranya, Dr. Sanjay Mali, Mr. Kishan Chaudhary, Mrs. Sumita Gangoli, Mr. Suresh Pansari, Mr. Yogendra Rajpuria and Mr. Bapulal Tare. These are the 8 members. Please raise your hand if you accept. Thank you. Huh?
Sorry for missing that point. I think Deepak sir forgot to mention Mr. Pradeep Kayya's name also.
No, Pradeep Kayya.
नाही तुम्ही वाचलं नाही.
वाचलं नाही? आहे.
नाव आहे त्याचं.
It is there. Sorry.
But he forgot to mention.
I will
Please read it out again.
I will read again. Mr. Dattatray Aranya, Mr. Kishan,
सुरुवातीपासून.
Mr. Dinesh Ranawat, Mr. Deepak Gangoli, Mr. Dattatray Aranya, Mr. Kishan Chaudhary, Mrs. Sumita Gangoli, Mr. Pradeep Kayya, Dr. Sanjay Mali, Mr. Suresh Pansari, Yogendra Rajpuria and Bapulal Tare. We have approved these names. I will request the newly elected members. Mr. Pansari, please. One.
Yes sir, please continue. Newly elected.
Newly elected men to rise their 4 of the yes. I see. And I request that as I had written in the circular, the newly elected governing body will meet for after 10 minutes after this meeting is over to elect their office bearers, honorary general secretary and honorary secretary and treasurer. Thank you. Any other business? Any other business? Any other business if you have to suggest anyone?
हाँ घ्यायचं आहे
घ्यायचं आहे आता त्याच्यानंतर.
ऑफिशियली अनाऊन्स करतो.
नाही हे आय डिक्लेअर द मीटिंग इज
वोट ऑफ थँक्स.
Before closing the meeting, I thank everyone, especially the new members, for attending this meeting of the general body, and also thank the President for conducting the proceedings of the meeting.
Thank you, sir. नहीं सर वो सेपरेटली गवर्निंग काउंसिल का है. So I thank all members once again for reposing their faith in me and assure you all that I will always endeavor to improve the Vidya Vinay Sabha and its associated institutions. And I'm 100% sure that the new members that we have inducted will also ensure great progress for the school. Thank you very much. Before closing the meeting, I would like to announce that there is a small presentation by students of the Marathi Medium School under the leadership of our able principal, Mr. Bapulal Tare. Thank you, sir, for arranging this program at such short notice. So we will assemble again in 10 minutes.
नहीं
लगेच हां नाही नाही प्रोग्रामसाठी 10 मिनटं लागतील ना अरेंज करायला.
नाही नाही झाली तयारी.
So we'll assemble in 10 minutes. Just have to.
हां
So we can have the newly elected GC meeting in the conference hall. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, all members.
आणि ते मुख्य म्हणजे ते दोन्ही मिनिट बुक्स घ्यायला सांग.
Welcome all existing and new members to the Government Council. I'm sure we will do much better than what we were doing earlier. Let us take up the agenda.
The first point on agenda is to elect the honorary treasurer and honorary secretary. Now we will suggest the names. Mr. Suresh P. Pansari as the honorary general secretary and Mr. Pradeep Naiya as the honorary treasurer. I hope it is acceptable to all members.
It's approved.
बापूला झालेलं पाहिजे.
नाही तुम्हाला ते अरेंजमेंट करतायत सो
25 पॉईंट आणि त्यांना सगळं कळवलं असेल सगळे पॉईंट.
So thanks for accepting this proposal. Now we have to, with the permission of the chair, I would like to take up few subjects which are very important for the smooth running of the school. The first thing is we have to change the signatories of all the accounts from the old office bearers to the new office bearers. So what we do is usually we have the 3 office bearers as signing authorities: the president, the honorary secretary and honorary treasurer. And any 2 of the signatories are allowed to operate at a time. Because this we have kept not to compulsory, because someone is absent due to certain reason, because he is out of station or out of country or anything, and he can't attend, then in case his absence should not be a hindrance to the payment. So that's this I think is acceptable, because we have done it all in his years and it is going on smoothly. So we accept that change. Then the second is
That
we
is
have
point number 4 in the
to open a new FCRA account with the State Bank of India, New Delhi branch, as per the guidelines received from the Government of India. Presently, we have the account of regarding FCRA, that is Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, in State Bank of India, Lonavala branch. That account will remain for our disbursement, but as per the guidelines, we have to keep the account, open the account in New Delhi. So I think this will have to as a pass. Then till now, I was appointed as the chief functionary to operate the FCRA accounts and submit the reports, audited statements of the Sabha and the annual report, etc., to the authorities in the finance department and home department with the Government of India. So I think now with the new office bearers, it needs to be changed. I suggest to you, request you to suggest a new name, and I feel that as Honorary General Secretary usually handles all these things, Mr. Suresh Pansari as the new General Secretary be authorized to be the chief functionary.
Yes.
Authorized signatory for the FCRA account.
FCR.
FCRA accounts, no.
But then it should be 2%.
No, those three will be there.
Okay.
Three will be there, but
One is-
FCRA account, not discovered. You have to submit the report, and for that, one has to be authorized signed signatory from the institute. So till now, I was made the chief secretary, signatory, chief functional, I think, or
Actually, what is chief functionary? The home ministry will coordinate with you.
Okay.
If you are secretary, and you will coordinate. Other people cannot sign.
Okay.
Only you have to
So I have to
communicate to
sign.
the home ministry. That is chief.
because this year, all the reports came to me for my signature.
Okay.
So this, we resolve that we appoint Sri Suresh Kamsari as
And that change report has to be sent to the charity commission as well as FCRA authority.
FCR goes to
FCR you have to intimate.
Intimate.
But the change report has to be put,
So you have to prepare the minutes immediately.
Yeah.
For change report, we will require minutes.
So we follow a new process.
We will
This
we will
we are-
it's in 1 week time.
this we are doing for the first time, so I don't know the legal, but you are,
Mr. Chaudhary sir.
That is it.
so I think you will look into the matter. Then we have a account with the Betterment Fund account with the Bank of Maharashtra,
State
State Bank of India.
State Bank of India, Lonavala branch.
Lonavala Bank.
And
But
हाँ सर, yes. हाँ सही करो.
एक दो मिनट. But I think for the convenience of most of our members from Bombay, it's better to have an account in Mumbai also, so that it has been suggested the name of Kotak Mahindra Bank, Bombay branch.
Bombay President, one any
Any
exception
branch.
common.
It's a multi-branch account. Now it doesn't matter.
You can
Anywhere you
operate
can
an
operate.
account.
Yes. And the service is also very good.
So the new account in Kotak Mahindra for betterment.
Betterment. This is the main account where we receive all contributions and donations.
Change of authority to authorize the honorary president and honorary general secretary to issue legal notices on behalf of the Sabha. Because they are the, it is mentioned that only honorary president and or
Nine से नाम नहीं है.
नहीं वो ट्रस्टी है ट्रस्टी है ट्रस्टी
trustee है. मेरा है.
हाँ सर.
एक और चाहिए ना ट्रस्टी है कौन कौन
नहीं. Aranya is not there.
हाँ रहने का उनका
Aranya is a GC member.
जिसे में उन वो अब्सेंट है उनका अब्सेंट है
He just noted down,
रहने है अब्सेंट
but he is a member.
you can write as a the options
So we authorize the honorary president and honorary general secretary to issue any legal notices or look into any legal matters on behalf of this Sabha.
Any other points to be covered?
And to authorize the honorary president to complete all required legal compliances. So I have added secretary also.
And change of address.
Not very last there.
Yes.
Now, up till now, actually we had our head office with Mr. Chandavarkar at Prarthana Samaj, Bombay, Girgaon. But after his death, it was transferred to Mr. Aranya, who was the treasurer. Actually, since we are working here, we wanted to change to Pune. Charity Pune, but
they said the charity commissioner invited us, and he said your record is excellent. There is no quarrels, no politicians involved. So please continue to be in Bombay only. And if you don't find any address, you can give my address as Savas office. In 99, he gave a certificate to that effect to us. So I think we should now change. You suggest, I suggest your office as
Our office can be given as
Aristo.
Aristo House. Yes, okay, pass.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
That is okay.
Because there are no more subjects. But again, I wish all.
एक सब्जेक्ट में और
What is up?
एल्यूमिनी बनाना चाहते हैं पास स्टूडेंट्स
Past students.
एज ए सब चैप्टर ऑफ विद्यालय सभा. इट्स नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट.
Alumni of
Association.
गुरुकुल एल्यूमिनी और विद्या विनय सभा whatever.
So you mean past members also?
No, past students. Is there nothing to do with management? Only students. But management can recruit their representative.
Yeah.
वो
There has to be some.
So actually we had one, but it is not functioning now. After the proposer, one of our past students, he expired, and after that it is not functioning. We had get-togethers also of, but now these students, because of the facility of this WhatsApp and Facebook, they meet in batches, say 1964 batch, 1960 batch, etc. But we can compile.
we want to start next month.
He has one of our students. He has mostly all the numbers, phone numbers, email addresses, and names of all the students.
Please give us and we will
Yes.
enroll them as a member of NUP and we will start as a friends.
Yeah. Yes.
For that, if you require, we might open bank account, but that approval we can take later
Yes.
instead of today.
Normally what happens is this has been operated by the alumni themselves. We as a management cannot involve in that.
No, but we have another trust in which we have made as a subchapter of the main trust, and which have been
I don't know what
allowed.
happens actually, I know. If at all I have to start an alumni association, I have to register separately with the charity.
No, we will not.
No, we will not.
No, it's not independent. It's a subchapter of our trust.
As a sub-chapter of our
Vidya Vinaya Sabha. Even account will be opened in the same name like Vidya Vinaya Sabha, but it will be alumni account, not our.
So only the
And
students.
signatories are our same management and all, with their additional participation from the past students.
There will be office bearers, no?
Same office bearer, mix of management and student side, past student. So instead of going independent, we will not. That's it.
No, that is not possible. And,
We do not know.
We don't have any control over it.
Yes. So we want to make a subchapter, and we have made it successfully. Last year,
model type में कर.
same RBG, exactly. Similar constitution, similar way. We'll give you the draft for the.
We have alumni in Bombay or RBG Educational Foundation. This will really be proved very good asset. Today, alumni is contributing like anything.
Yes, and it will always be beneficial for.
We have 12 years experience.
They are bringing donations, they are conducting the lot of cultural programs, they are conducting the meetings, regular meetings among the whole.
So very good.
So it will include as an additional suggestion. Vidya Vinaya Sabha, VVS instead of full name, VVS alumni. So, which is more famous? Gurukul alumni is more famous or VVS is more? Gurukul. Okay, then we will have Gurukul alumni.
Okay.
Any other points to be discussed?
I will suggest instead of alumni, because most of the students are from Marathi medium, what we write that Gurukul Past Student Association.
योगदान में शॉर्ट करना चाहते हैं. That's why I use the word VVS or Gurukul alumni.
Gurukul school alumni.
School
School but
खाली Gurukul alumni.
Gurukul alumni.
See, we have RBC alumni very well.
Because even if he is in hostel, he is a student. Unless he is a student, he is not admitted.
The criteria is he should have studied or stayed over here. Only these two criteria.
No, so only those who are studying here are allowed to stay. Are allowed.
So by default, the student, past students.
ठीक है. No other point. Right? Any suggestions?
I think I just want to say, on behalf of Deepak sir and Pranav sir, I just want to say thank you all and welcome you all to this new venture that you have taken. The way you have started it, really, we must appreciate. We were rather helpless and we used to, just think about a number of things. But now we could see the actual thing which are going on over here. And I'm sure that the reputation that earlier got Gurukul had, we had a lot of financial pressures from last many years. But now you came like,
Maybe blessings.
blessing for us. So it's a best wishes from, from our side. Yeah.
It's no more blessing, let me tell you, it's an opportunity for all of us to serve the community.
Thank you very much.
Let's go and join the program.
Thank you.